Welcome to the Explainer. Let's unlock your ultimate YouTube growth using a little Chatgpt magic.
Hitting that legendary first 1,000 subscribers. It's the milestone every single new creator craves, right?
So why is early growth so insanely tough? Why do so many awesome creators just flop?
Well, you gotta stop tossing random videos into the void hoping to get lucky. Huge trap.
Enter step 1, the hook. Honestly, those first few seconds literally decide your video's fate. Start off boring, viewers bounce immediately. And that completely nukes your chances of getting recommended.
Skip the standard, "Hey guys." Say something like, "Nobody tells YouTubers this." Spark that curiosity.
Stop guessing. You can actually use Chatgpt to brainstorm killer, niche-specific viral hooks in seconds.
Okay, step 2, tags and keywords. Don't listen to the haters. YouTube is a search engine.
Just tell ChatGPT, give me searchable keywords for motivational shorts. Let AI spot those trends.
Then, sprinkle those AI keywords naturally into your titles, descriptions, and captions. Maximize your reach.
Step 3, quality. Look, flooding your channel with low-effort garbage will literally just drive people away.
Forget fancy 4K cameras. What viewers actually prioritize is crystal clear audio and super snappy editing.
Ask yourself, why watch my video over thousands of others? Truly valuable content wins the marathon.
This is where ChatGPT shines. It elevates your strengths to build infinitely better storytelling strategies.
But reality check. AI is just a tool, not magic. You still gotta put in consistent work.
Most folks quit after 5 videos. Every upload levels you up. Perseverance is the real game changer.
Quick recap to snag those subs, strong hooks, smart tags, and high quality, all done consistently.
Every massive YouTuber started exactly at 0. So what's your unique superpower for that next upload?